let's go back in edit mode and let me move my reference image over here, GX, over to the side. Now we will create these curtains. Okay, these curtains, and let's do that. For that, I think we need a plane. Let's get a plane, GY90. Okay, and then let's go in right view, side view, by pressing numpad 3, and I want to scale it somewhat to this size, so let's move it upside here, and in edit mode, vertex select mode, select everything and press S and Y. We will first move it like this, and then GZ, and then bottom vertex is GZ again, right? And then we will add a loop cut in between, one straight line like this, and finalize our selection by pressing left mouse click. And now I want to give it a bend of sorts so that it gives a illusion that it's folded, like it's a cloth, right? GX, if I move it on X axis, it will be like this, right? It will extrude like this. So let me do this, and let's give another loop here, and let's bend it on the other side, bend it like Beckham, GX. And then another loop here, and yeah, let's bend it backwards again. So now we have something like this. In edit mode, select everything, A, S and Y. Let's make it like this. Then now we need to move it, GY, and then move it somewhere around here, GX, and when it's touching the wall, just like that. Okay, let's bring it back, GX, and now GY. Let's place it over here. Okay, so now we have created one part of our curtain. And I want to repeat the pattern over this wall, like it should repeat over this side, over to this side, like that. So how can we do that? As I already told you, I'm a lazy guy, so we will look into another modifier that is called array modifier. This basically allows us to create copies depending upon what axis we choose, right? Offset would be our location, X, Y, Z. Rotation, again, it allows us to rotate our object, and then scale would be scaling depending upon what scale we want. Then there are other settings, randomization, merge. We are not looking into those. In a very simplistic way, if we want to use it, we just want copies on this Y axis. So I will put 0 on X axis, and now I will press 1 on my Y axis. It will perfectly align. You can see if I move it any higher, it will leave a gap between the instances. These are instances, so it will leave a gap between the copies. So we don't want that. We just want an equal number. We just want without any gap, so that it looks like a seamless curtain. And now I just need to increase the copies, and there you go. We have curtains, G and Y. Let's move it over here, and we have curtains. Let's check our scale. It's okay. So we have created curtains, and let's put these into their own collection. So if I rename it by pressing F2, curtain, and to create a new folder or new collection, press M, new collection, curtains, and create. That's it. Control S to save.